Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm not doing a tutorial, but I just thought I would share with you my recent purchase. This is a book I got from Amazon, and I'm really happy with the patterns in there. I haven't started knitting them yet, but I'm really looking forward to using the book. So I'll just open it so that you can see. So for those of you who would want to buy the book, I'll put a link in the description below. I'll quickly go through the book so that you can see, and then maybe that will help you decide if it's something that you would like to add to your knitting book collection. Okay, all the diagrams for the patterns are at the back. I don't know how to read diagrams yet, but I'm sure I should be straightforward, and I'm going to learn from this book. I'm sure by the time I finish all these patterns, I would be a pro in reading diagrams. So the book has all the abbreviations that you need, so I'm sure I should be straightforward, but I'll see how it goes. And as usual, I'll be posting tutorials on some of the patterns, and I'll use some of them to do projects. If you want to see tutorials of any of these patterns, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so that you will receive a notification every time I upload something on my channel. So look at that. And the diagrams, the pictures are just really good. So yeah, I'll give you an update on how I am getting on, but I'm just hoping that these patterns are straightforward. I'm sure some of them will be straightforward, and of course you get some difficult ones. Look at this. So yeah, that's all I have today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.